Hey, Prof. Rassi here. Hopefully you just got done watching the video where they poured 3 square pyramids into a square prism with the equal size bases. And so the question is, what does that tell you about the volume? How does the volume of a square pyramid and a square prism relate if the bases are the same and the heights are the same? So let's just say I wanted to find the volume of the prism. We would take, like we talked, area of the base times the height of the prism. All right, well, let's look at a pyramid's volume then. If we took the area of the base times the height, again, of the pyramid, and this is the vertical height, straight up and down, not the slanted height. This would be too much, right? This is the area, or the volume of the prism. How do these two things relate? You're probably thinking, well, it poured 3 of these into here, so I have to take this volume and divide by 3. And you're exactly right. Usually we write it as 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the pyramid. So any of these shapes, you just have to find the area of the bottom times the height, and that will give you the volume of the pyramid. I didn't mention it in the last video, but this also works for cones and cylinders as well. So a cylinder is going to be a circular base, so you're going to have to find the area of the circle times the height. And the cone, same way, you're going to have the base, which is a circle. Not quite how I wanted it to there. Anyway, times the height. And so again, that is, and I want to highlight this, that is the vertical height straight down. It is not to the center. That is the height of the cone. That is not the slant height. So this distance would be called the slant height. And that is not what we need here. We need the actual height.